Hey guys, so I wanted to review this shampoo. It's actually absolutely amazing. My hair feels basically like a Korean woman, just very soft, shiny, even bouncy. And it's very natural. It doesn't have any sulfates or anything. I'll leave the description and I'll show you the progress. I've washed my hair twice. I do want to mention that once you wash your hair, you want to wet the soap, just kind of like rub it around your head for like 30 seconds, and then just leave the soap, massage your skull, and it just feels amazing. Even the tip of my hair feels so nice, and well, it doesn't feel so nice. It's a bit fried up. I'm actually a brunette, as you can tell. I need to get my hair done, but I have blonde highlights. So it feels really nice. And then you just kind of like massage your hair for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then you want to wash it off right away. That's what I learned with it.